Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can see this is search button. You just clicked, then enter your model number B760M DS3H DDR4 Generation 5. Then hit enter. Then click to product. The title of the model number. Then click to support. Then click on support. Chipset. So this is, then click to download. And then open after downloaded, and double click to run for the installation. Now you can see this is installing a chipset driver. And then close it.